Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today here we're going to be taking a look at our grease gun and how we store it. This right here, I don't know about you guys, if you guys have this problem right here, but all the time whenever I have a grease gun like this, the box that I try and keep it in just gets all messed up and greasy, and it just doesn't look good, and it's hard to store right here. So I did some searching online, and I went ahead and I found this right here. It's called a United Power grease gun holder. It's metal, it's not too thick, but it's just thick enough right here. It comes with some hardware to go ahead and mount it to your wall, as well as it comes with these two metal cups that sit down into here to, to kind of catch any grease that may drip down or anything. So the cool thing is you can set this like so. And then from there, to be able to store it, we just set it right into here, just like so. And then this, the tip, it can just go right there and it'll sit right into one of those grooves right there. If you guys are interested in this, there will be a Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you do click on that, it's the same cost to you, but I do get a little bit of a commission for that right here. So, but yeah, this is what I picked up right here. Really looking forward to getting it mounted on the wall and seeing how it holds everything okay. But we will go ahead and we'll get it installed, and we'll see how it looks on the wall. All right, you guys, so I've been letting this sit right here on my workbench for almost a week now or so right here, just to kind of see and how it's going to work with the grease in here. Overall, it's doing pretty good. This cup is definitely doing its job. It's catching all the grease that's kind of falling down on it right here that's coming out of it. And up here, I've had a little bit of leaking up on the top of the grease gun right here, but the only thing that I've really had dripping down is I had a small drip right about there. So it looks like it's doing pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and get this mounted on the wall right here, and we'll see how it looks here. Alright, you guys, so we got the grease gun holder installed right here. Hopefully this will be a lot better than the box that I had it in before, so we'll keep an eye on it, and I'll let you know if anything starts leaking out or around it right here, but again, I definitely think it's going to be a lot better than it was. Again, there will be a Amazon affiliate link in the description below if you're interested in pick one of these up. And again, if you do click on that link, it does give us a little bit of a commission, but it's going to be the same cost to you whether you get it off that or if you go directly to Amazon for it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.